Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Elite English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sophie.
Hello, Sophie. Hello, everyone. It is so nice to be here today.
It is. How are you feeling this morning, James?
Honestly, tired. I pressed snooze on my alarm 3 times again.
3 times? That's a new record.
It's not a record, Sophie. It's a lifestyle.
Well, I already had my coffee with hot milk, so I'm full of energy today.
Of course you did. You're a morning person. I'm a give me strong black coffee and don't talk to me person.
Fair enough. Well, today we have a really useful topic for you.
Oh, really? What is it?
It's your daily routine in English.
Ah, I see. That's actually perfect because I always get stuck talking about my morning.
Exactly why we're doing this episode. But first, before we start,
Yes, a quick favor.
if you're enjoying Elite English Channel, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this episode with a friend who is also learning English.
It really helps us keep making these episodes for you, and it takes just 1 second, so thank you.
Okay, now let's get into it. Today we're talking about daily routines. How to describe your morning, your workday, and your evening in simple, natural English.
I'm excited because my routine is a bit of a disaster.
Let's start there then. James, walk us through your morning.
Okay, so my alarm goes off at 6:30.
Goes off, that means it starts ringing, right?
Exactly. My alarm goes off, and I immediately press snooze.
Which means?
It means I press a button so the alarm stops for a few minutes and I can sleep a little more.
A very important word for many of us.
After my 3rd snooze, I finally get up. Then I go straight to the kitchen for coffee. Strong, black, no sugar.
I get up too, but I go straight to my cat, Luna. She sits by the door every morning waiting for me.
That's so sweet. My dog Max does the same thing, but louder. He barks until I feed him.
Okay, so this is actually a great first point, talking about what you do first thing in the morning. That phrase means the very first thing you do when you wake up.
So I could say, first thing in the morning, I make coffee.
Perfect example.
And you could say,
First thing in the morning, I feed Luna and make myself a coffee with hot milk.
see, this is already useful. Everyone listening, think about your own morning right now. What do you do first thing in the morning?
If you're still listening, comment morning in the comments below and tell us your first morning habit.
I want to know if anyone else snoozes their alarm 3 times. Please tell me I'm not alone.
Okay, so we talked about waking up. Now let's talk about getting ready. What's next in your morning, James?
After coffee, I take a shower, get dressed, and then I try to make breakfast.
Try to make breakfast? Why try?
Because I'm a terrible cook. Last week I burned toast. How do you even burn toast, Sophie?
I honestly don't know, but you managed it.
I managed it. So now I usually just eat cereal. Simple, safe, no fire involved.
I love cooking, so my mornings are different. I usually make eggs or sometimes oatmeal with fruit.
Show off.
It's not showing off, it's survival. If I don't eat a good breakfast, I'm hungry by 10 a.m.
That's fair. Okay, so here's a useful phrase for this part. Get ready. It means to prepare yourself. Shower, clothes, hair, everything before you leave the house.
Right. So you could say, it takes me 20 minutes to get ready in the morning.
For me, it's more like 40 minutes because I can never find my keys.
Oh, the keys. Tell them about last Tuesday.
Oh, no. Okay, so last Tuesday, I was already late, and I spent 10 minutes looking for my keys, and guess where they were?
Tell them.
They were in the refrigerator, next to the milk.
Every single time.
Every single time. My life is a comedy show, honestly. But hey, this happens to a lot of people, right? Losing your keys, running late, forgetting things in the morning rush.
Absolutely. Many of you probably feel this too. Mornings are hard for everyone sometimes, not just James.
Thank you, Sophie. Finally, someone understands me.
Okay, so let's summarize what we have so far. We talked about waking up, my alarm goes off, I press snooze, first thing in the morning.
And we talked about getting ready. Get ready, make breakfast, 20 minutes to get ready.
And losing your keys, very important vocabulary for me personally. Okay, now let's talk about a really practical situation, leaving the house and going to work. This is where a lot of English learners get stuck because there are so many small phrases we use.
Oh, this is a good one. So for me, I leave my apartment around 7:45, and I usually take the bus to work.
Take the bus, meaning you travel by bus.
Exactly, and the bus ride takes about 25 minutes.
I actually walk to work. It only takes 15 minutes, and I love it. It wakes me up better than coffee, honestly.
Wow, look at you, healthy and organized.
Someone has to be. Okay, let's do a little role play here, because this is something many of you might need, talking to a coworker in the morning.
Oh, I like this. Let's do it.
Okay, imagine we just arrived at the office. Ready?
Ready.
Good morning, James. How was your commute today?
Morning, Sophie. It was okay. A little busy, but not too bad. How about you? Did you walk again?
I did. It was a beautiful morning, actually.
Nice. Hey, do you want to grab a coffee before the meeting?
Sure, let's go. We have about 10 minutes before it starts.
Perfect. Let's go.
Okay, that's an example. Notice we used commute. That means the trip between home and work.
And grab a coffee, meaning get a coffee quickly, casually.
Exactly. These are the kind of small, natural phrases that make you sound like a real English speaker, not a textbook.
I love that. Okay, so what's next? Let's talk about the actual workday, because that's a big part of daily routine, too.
Good idea. So during the day, we usually talk about our schedule using simple present tense. For example, I start work at 9, or I have a meeting at 11.
Right, and you can also say, I take a lunch break around 1 o'clock.
Yes, lunch break is such a useful phrase. It just means the time you stop working to eat lunch.
My lunch break is honestly my favorite part of the day.
Same, actually. I usually eat with my coworkers, and sometimes we go for a short walk after.
I usually eat at my desk and scroll on my phone. Not very healthy, I know.
We're working on it, James.
We are, slowly, very slowly.
Okay, so we have another good point here. Talking about your schedule using time expressions. At 9, around 1, before the meeting, after lunch.
These little words, around, before, after, they make such a big difference in how natural you sound.
Exactly. If you're learning English, this is for you. Practice using these small time words, and your sentences will sound so much more natural.
Everyone listening, try this right now. Think of one thing you do around a certain time. Say it out loud.
Homework already.
Just a little one.
Okay, so let's move on to the end of the workday and then the evening, because this is where routines get really personal and different for everyone.
Yes, so for me, I finish work at 5, and then I usually take Max for a walk.
That's so lovely. How is Max doing, by the way?
He's great, very energetic. Honestly, more energetic than me most days.
After my workday, I usually go home, relax for a bit, and then I like to read for 30 minutes before making dinner.
You always have time to read. I don't know how you do it.
I make time for it. It helps me relax after a busy day.
That's actually a great phrase. Make time for something. It means you decide it's important, so you find time for it even when you're busy.
Exactly right. So you could say, I try to make time for exercise every day, or I make time for my family on weekends.
I need to make time for cooking lessons, clearly.
Clearly. Okay, now what's next? Let's talk about dinner and the evening routine.
So in the evening, I usually order food because, well, you know why.
The toast incident.
The toast incident. So I usually order pizza, or sometimes I try to cook something really simple like pasta.
I love cooking dinner, actually. It's relaxing for me. Last night I made a vegetable soup, and it turned out really well.
Turned out well, meaning the result was good, right?
Exactly. Great example, James.
I'm learning, slowly, but I'm learning.
After dinner, I usually watch a show for a bit, then read a little more before bed.
I usually watch football highlights, then fall asleep on the sofa by accident.
Every night?
Almost every night. Max just sleeps next to me, and then I wake up at midnight wondering where I am.
That's honestly hilarious.
It's my life, Sophie. It's my life.
Okay, so let's talk about one more important piece here, bedtime routine, because many learners want to describe this too.
Right, so you can say, I usually go to bed around 11, or I try to sleep by midnight.
And you can also use wind down, which means to relax slowly before sleep.
I definitely don't wind down. I just fall asleep watching football, remember?
True. Okay, so let's do a quick review of everything we've covered, because we packed a lot into this episode.
So we have waking up, my alarm goes off, press snooze first thing in the morning.
Then getting ready, get ready, make breakfast, and losing your keys, apparently.
Always. Then commuting, take the bus, commute, grab a coffee.
Then the workday, lunch break, time expressions like around, before, and after.
And finally, the evening, make time for something, turned out well, and wind down.
That's a lot of useful, natural vocabulary for talking about your daily routine.
And the best part is, you can use almost all of it today in your own life.
Exactly. Okay, let's do our quick review before we go.
Okay, so we talked about press snooze and first thing in the morning for waking up.
Yes, and get ready means preparing yourself before leaving the house.
And commute is your trip to work, while grab a coffee means getting a coffee quickly and casually.
Right. Then lunch break is your time to eat during the workday.
And don't forget make time for something, which means you find time for what's important to you.
And finally, wind down means relaxing slowly before bed, something James clearly does not do.
Guilty as charged.
Great episode, James. I feel like we covered a full day, start to finish.
We really did, from snoozing alarms to falling asleep on the sofa, a complete journey.
Okay, everyone, thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you for spending this time with us. We really appreciate every single one of you.
Don't forget to subscribe to Elite English channel, hit that like button, and share this episode with a friend who is learning English too.
It really helps us so much, and it helps more learners like you find these lessons.
Now, tell us in the comments, what is one thing you always do first thing in the morning? We would love to read your answers.
And tell us, do you snooze your alarm too? Please say yes. I need the support.
Okay, that's all for today's episode.
Thank you again, everyone. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we will see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone. This is Sophie,
This is James.
saying goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.